this masterclass session for our artists, our creators, and for business in general. The reason I felt that these messages were important is so that you realize that intellectual property is not only about the academic. Your own rights are as artist and creator, what your intellectual property assets are, and how important they are to your business and to your profession. Intellectual property can be seen as a bundle of property rights. Intellectual property rights can be obtained and protected globally, unleashing your business potential to the global market.
I will give you an introduction very quickly on the primary objective of the intellectual property law. I'll talk about what is copyright, what works may be copyrighted, and how is copyrighted created, who owns a copyright. What I've been telling my audience since the time that I started practicing intellectual property, it's about 45 years ago, and that aged me. The primary objective of intellectual property law is not to reward the labor of authors, that was articulated by the earlier introductory speakers, but to promote the progress of science and useful arts. Linus was asking whether he should be patented. Well, patent law gives the inventor of a new and non-obvious invention any adaptation or anything that would relate to his copyrighted work, in this particular case, choreography, would have to be with the permission of the author of that.
Relationship between the creator and, for instance, the employer is determined by contract. And that is why all creators and those of you who are listening to this must to avoid confusion in the future, must ascertain that there is a contract concerning your work.
Then you have to put that in a contractual form. We have contracts in other jurisdictions because they have laws on those items already that I would give them, because I know there'll be future lawyers. So when they are in IP practice, they would use my templates as models for such contractual obligations and arrangements.
It is the nation, and we are the most productive in the whole universe. The Filipino race is the most productive in the entire universe. So keep on creating and love and protect your creations. Maraming salamat po for this opportunity.